This how to 1 minute will show you how to add floating social share bar in WordPress. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to add social media share buttons to your WordPress website or WordPress post. First of all, jump into your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin section and click on add new. And here search for scriptless social sharing, and this is the plugin we are going to use. So install it and activate. Once the plugin activated, hover over on settings and click on scriptless social sharing. And now here you can select button icon styles, button output. I'm selecting here icon only, and you can change the heading from here. And now you can enable or disable social sharing buttons from here. So I'm going to enable Telegram and disabling email. And now content types, I'm selecting here before content, and pages you can select before content or after content. Then scroll down, you can add here your Twitter handle and click on save changes. And now I'm going to reloading my WordPress post, and here you can see the social share button has been successfully added. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.